How to deactivate Facebook page. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook page. Then click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Then click on Settings at the top right corner of your screen. Then in Settings, scroll down. Scroll down till you find Access and Control and click on Access and Control. In Access and Control, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Now simply click on Deactivate Page and press on Continue. After you've done that, select the reason why you want to deactivate and press on Continue. Then you can also click on Automatically Reactivate this page or click on Don't Reactivate Automatically and continue. After doing that, you can also download your information before deactivating it by clicking on Download Info. If not, press on Continue. Then press on Deactivate Page at the bottom. And then you're good to go. This is how to deactivate Facebook page. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.